Brayden, can you say hi on the video?
Hi, Baker.
Who is that in there? Oops. Alrighty. Hey, can you please be quiet if you're not going to be happy? Shh, you're not going to hold it. Sorry. What? Can you say hi, Gracie Poop? Grace? Yeah, don't touch it. Grace? Hi! Really? This music's loud. Stop. Great. Stop touching, please. Grace, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say I love you?
Yeah.
Can you show everybody where are your eyes? Bri, where are your eyes? Where's your nose? Where are your ears? Where's your hair? Who is that? Grace. Grace. Hey, Brayden. Brayden. What are you doing? You want to count? Can you count? Do you want to start going potty on the big boy toilet?
No. No.
Where are you going? Hey, Ryan. No fun. Those guys are no fun. Right? Poop. Gracie Poop. Can you smile? Are you happy today? Hey, Rye. What are you doing? You should probably go see what they're doing. Probably go see what they're doing. What are you doing?
Nothing. Dishwasher.
Yeah, the dishwasher. Are you supposed to be playing in it?
Yes.
What? Can you close it, please? Brayden, don't touch that. Can you close it? Thank you. Hey, Brayden. Where's Danny? He went downstairs? Hey, Ryan. Ryan. Where's Danny? School? Where he went to school? Hey, Brayden. Are you gonna go to school soon? Yes. Hey, Chunky. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you say bye-bye, Brayden? Who is that?
Bye.
Brayden?